getting stabbed. I'm getting stabbed. Oh my God. Oh.
You okay?
Yo, I just got stabbed in my kneecap. They done pulled out the damn cause you was just spinning over shit.
This way.
Something wrong with my hip right here. Oh my God, I can't really walk. Yes, we're out here and I'm walking with all right, and I'm done. Whew. Something's wrong with my hip. If y'all can only see the way that I'm walking. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Slow down, mommy's.
Oh my God.
Okay. Wait, one.
I just said slow down, mommy's hip is messed up. No, hold
Mommy,
down.
see my time. Why?
I can't. I'm the recorder right now.
What? One.
Wait. Trying to make sure we can make good clips here. Cuts here.
Fine.
So the arrows is pointing back there,
No,
but
go,
instead we're walking
No, go.
the opposite way. Okay.
Go.
Here's the
Go.
beginning of the trail.
Let's go.
Hello.
Look at the sun.
Beginning of the trail.
Yeah.
I gotta put my pants up. Hold on. Yo. Chill out. This way.
Again.
Oh, never mind. This way.
What? This way.
Oh, and it's freezing out here. Oh my goodness. There's
No.
nothing.
This one.
Never mind. I'm getting stabbed. I'm getting stabbed. Oh my God. Oh.
You okay?
Yo, I just got stabbed in my kneecap. There's thorns apparently on that branch.
Oh, wow. Oh! And he's off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh.
Stop.
Wow.
You was about to say.
Okay.
No.
What?
Look where he was about to stumble down.
About to go right in that ditch. Bad self over there.
I can tell you.
No.
Messing with my little guy here, he could definitely get a workout. I thought he was gone.
He
He's-
said no.
The red trail. Why are these sticks up here like this?
What's going on here?
There's some unknown warriors that come out at night we don't know about. And they leave that there to mark their territory. What's wrong?
That
Listen,
way.
this is nature.
That way.
Hold on, he did this last time we came.
Okay.
Remember that?
All right, you're right.
I forgot.
This way. And I hear bells.
You come on. Get out of here. Was it this part? No, it was the
I
other
don't know.
spot.
It was the other spot.
Yeah.
right. Second round to go. Need a bird too.
Brush the dust off. We're gonna need this. Brush it off here. Alright, come on. We gotta find some more. Keep that. Should we take the green trail or should we take the red trail?
Yeah.
Should we take the red trail or the green trail?
Yes, we try.
Green trail.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, come on.
We are short.
No, we'll find another one. This is looking real perfect.
Hot day. Hot, get here. Get here.
Huh?
Get here.
Check here.
Oh no, Davy, Mom. No. No.
Can you do the experiment here?
No.
You don't want to?
Mm.
But we're about to be on the yellow trail. This is showing
I think
yellow.
this is good.
Oh, Lalo. He's rat.
Come here, Kay. Don't go down there.
What? He rat. Wait. Hit it, yes. Hit it.
We're about to start it.
You did it. You did it. Rim.
Back up.
No. Okay. Run. Come on, Dad.
No, back up.
No. Okay.
Come here, hold my hand.
Okay. No, $10. What?
Maybe this is a bad spot. It's tree roots. We're still gonna do it, just from a different angle. Maybe this is a bad spot. It's tree roots. We're still gonna do it.
I put this.
Not yet, not yet. We gotta get enough dirt first. Not yet, not yet. We gotta get enough dirt first. Like this. Yep. Oh, this is bad. That's bad. We gotta find another spot. Right here.
Right here, Kay. No.
Right here.
Right here, Kay. No.
Right here. Is that up there? Right here. Right here. But this is dirt. We need some sand. This is dirt. We need some sand. Hold on.
We don't have to make it do what it do. I ain't got no sign on it.
That this.
You know what? This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do.
pants getting all dirty.
Bye. Trying to make sure these stay stable on the ground real quick.
Hold it.
No, not shit. Hold on. My goodness, Caden.
What did it?
Goodness, Caden.
What did it? You did it again. Yeah, did it.
Yo.
You did it again. Yeah, did it.
Yo.
Wasted.
Well, oh, let live, Mom. No. Again.
Alright, just wait, Casey. You keep messing up the thing, the experiment.
Mechanical. Have it. Josh. Get my candy, Josh. Get my candy.
This is what we should have did. Move them. I'm about to dig a quick hole real quick. Move that. Back up.
Hold in.
Let me see.
Hold in. Hold. Have it.
See, it doesn't. Yeah. What's wrong? Something flicked in your eye. Oh my God. Let me blow.
Get out my eye.
I just said let me blow it.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God.
Let me see. Look up. Look up.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. We gotta go. Come on. We'll do this another time.
Oh my God, I can't walk. The
Let
camera.
me see your eye one more time, babe. Oh God. I think it came out when I just did that. I just felt something on my lips.
No, it's still. I can't close my eye.
Oh, I see it. Okay. Stop flickering. Every time you do it, you're moving it. You're moving it. Yeah, keep. Oh, tilt your head all the way over like this, and then let your tears fall.
Come here, Kay. Come here. Hurry up.
I got them. Let your tears fall, because your tears is your natural cleanser. Let the tears out that eye come out.
Wait, you.
Cause
Wait.
my hands are dirty.
Oh no.
I see it. It's right. No, it's over on the other side.
This side.
No.
This side.
Yeah, and it's moving.
No.
Get it. It's right there. I see it, but I can't touch my shit, baby. Stop.
Hi.
Stuck in the juice. It's not gonna come out like that. It's not gonna come out like that. We gotta move to the car. We gotta move to the car. We gotta move to the car. I see it though. I see it.
Alright, we'll get the phone.
But you gotta stop blinking. If you gonna blink, tilt your head down and let the tear fall. I see it though. I see it. It was about to come out. Do this now. Okay. Try to blink now. You still feel it?
Is the camera still?
Oh, shit. Yeah, I didn't even realize.
Come on. Come on.